Hi, baby and Beenie. Say hello. I got taking a movie of my pretty birds. We'll zoom into oh, look at my pretty baby and my pretty Beenie right here. Oh, aren't you pretty on my Sony digital camera? Oh boy. Yeah, pretty birds. Yeah. You're just so pretty today, aren't you? Here, we'll walk over here and get a view of you from here with our little movie. Hi, Beenie. Here we'll zoom into Beenie's pretty birdie face. Oh, isn't he pretty? Look at him. He's a sweetheart. I guess I'm moving the camera too much. I apologize. Next time I'll put it on a tripod. Oh, look at his cute feet. And we'll go over to Baby. Baby's 11 years old. This is Baby. We'll zoom in on Baby's pretty face. Yes, he likes to look in that mirror. Oh, he's preening. He's so beautiful. I take very good care of my baby and Beenie. Yeah. Baby's 11 years old and he's completely changed my life. He's made my life so much better. And so has my Beenie. My Beenie they make my life worth living and so much happier. You just wouldn't believe the difference, but I don't know what it is about the birds, but I think it's that way with any animal you love. They can just change your life because they give you unconditional love. Oh, look at you. This is fun. Oh, there you are together. Isn't that nice? Yeah. You're so pretty. I'll walk over here for a minute. Oh, yeah. Whoops, I want to go back in and go, oh, hi there. You're just so pretty. Pretty birds. Hi, Beenie. He says hello, and Baby does too. They love all of this attention with the camera and taking pictures in movies. They just enjoy it very much. Yes, they do. The baby's preening his wing. And you notice I've trimmed their wings a little bit so they can't go so fast that when they crash, they'd get hurt badly. But I like them to be able to fly a little because they enjoy it. It's good exercise. Yeah, look at you. Oh, and these cages, they love these cages. I think that these are the perfect cockatiel cages. I got them both at, I'm not sure. I have it on my website where you can go and buy this cage. It's a really good size. Sometimes my birds like to be in the same cage together, but other times they want to be separated, which is good. you know, so if the other bird's pesting one too much, they can have a break from each other. Because baby grew up with a parakeet for 8 years, and he puts up with Beenie a lot. He loves Beenie, but he just doesn't want Beenie to preen him, see? Well, he let him that time. I'm hoping he will someday, but Beenie tries to preen him every day, and baby won't let him, just because that's the way he is. He let Beenie preen, my parakeet preen him, but poor Beenie, he gets his feelings hurt bad too, so I let him preen my eyelashes. Right, BB? BB? See, he has like a bib on his neck. Isn't it pretty? Has a bib. So I call him Bibby. And baby I call Cheeky. Pretty cheeks. Beenie has pretty cheeks too. He has that pretty little bib. Beenie's a pied cockatiel. And baby, he's a natural gray cockatiel. Look at baby's preening. But these cages, they're just, my birds love them. Because they can come out and sit on this little door, see that? And then you can close it. I mean, that's really nice. They love to be able to come out on the top of their cage and move around. They need to move. They need exercise, just like people do. You know, it helps their mood and they feel better and they won't get overweight. And then there's this little door right there. I love that if I want to clean, or if I want to put the bird in or take the bird out for any reason. That's really good. And I would never put 4 cockatiels in this cage. I guess you could put 4 parakeets in it, but not cockatiels. And then here's baby's cage. They love this one the best because it's the newer one I bought. I bought this year a few months ago. Yeah. And it's a really nice cage. And then I buy him a perch, like, see that blue one there? That's called a polypastel, and it's a concrete perch for the bird to sit on, and he can grind his beak on it. It's nice and textured, because the smooth ones cause them leg damage and foot damage, and it's good for the muscles in their feet and legs. And then they can sharpen their beak on it. And here's a green one. They can sharpen their beak on that and their toenails. And they just love them. They sit on them. They prefer sitting on these than that skinny white one that came with the cage. So that was veterinary approved, but ordered by the veterinary to buy these polypastels for my birds. All kinds of bad things can happen to their feet and legs, and the muscles can get all messed up. So you want to make sure to get your bird these concrete perches, no matter what kind of bird you have. They need that. And I try to keep my birds really happy. Don't ever bring your bird up or feed him nothing but bird seed. It's like feeding him potato chips. Nothing but potato chips, and they can die eating that and get very bad malnutrition. So you just want to make sure you get the best for them. I get some organic parrot food from birdtricks.com.